Let's take a moment right now and get very comfortable. Wherever you're sitting, just relax. Close your eyes if you like, and know that as you close your outer eyes, you can see more clearly with your inner eyes. As you go within, you can hear that inner wisdom with your inner ears and sense that inner feeling in your body. So I invite you now to take a nice deep breath. And as you exhale, just feel your body relaxing. You may want to do that one more time. And gently allow your thoughts to move from your head to your heart center. You just allow yourself to release anything other than the awareness of who you are at a soul level in this moment, right here, right now. And as you breathe into this time, become aware within yourself of your inner light. Become aware of what that looks like to you and how you recognize your inner light that shines, that is always there, always glowing, representing the truth of who you are. And realize what power you have over that light as you now begin to expand it. Allow it to grow and spread throughout your entire body, flowing through every cell, every atom, every muscle, every tissue, every bone, infusing your entire being from the inside out so that you become that body of light. And allow yourself to feel that, to sense it, to know that you can move outside your body. And you have the ability to let this light shine wherever you want it to go. And so I invite you to take a moment and let this light expand. Send it to some people that are very important to you and encompass them with this light. Send it around the world to places you would like to see this light glow and shine, knowing that you bring peace, you bring harmony, you bring love. Allow it to expand beyond this universe, knowing that you have the power to go wherever you want to send this. It is infinite because you are infinite potential. And so I invite you to take a moment to really recognize, feel, and appreciate this powerful light that you are. And now I invite you to take another breath and begin to bring that light back within you and feel that light as it encompasses within you your entire being. And you bring to yourself all that love and harmony and joy, because that is the truth of who you are. And as you breathe again, you claim this power, the power to let your light shine within, without. You refuse to let anything that is the world of outer appearance have an effect on the power of you and your light. And let's just take a moment now to recognize in the silence and to feel in the silence the beauty, the harmony, the joy of your light. We are so grateful, and in that place of gratitude for the joy and the harmony of our light and our ability to let this light shine, we say celebration. We enjoy, we appreciate, we claim we are this light. And so it is. And so it shall be.